Hello everyone, now we are unboxing this parcel. So let's quickly check what we have inside. So let's quickly open up. Okay, inside that's all. This is a small package. So let's open this. Okay, inside we have another packet. So that's all. So let's quickly open this also. Inside we have another packet. So let's quickly get that. Okay. So here we have a lot of half an hour coins. You can see clearly. It's a good UNC looking condition. 1942 half an hour coins. All UNC. So here we have I think I have ordered 20 coins. So let's quickly count. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So that's all what we have ordered. So let's quickly check. Here's a close look. 1942 half an hour coins. This is a 20 coin slot. So this is what we have unboxed now. So that's all guys. Hit the like button. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.